Okay, now we're gonna start rehearsing for the ghost ship. So pull out the ghost ship, everybody. Here we go.
Hello, everybody on online school.
So we're gonna start right at the very beginning. Now listen well. Is everybody with me? We're gonna start on measure 4. Everybody start on measure 4. That's right where we come in. So the piano's going. No, that's not it. It's going like this. Like I said, boom, chuck, boom, chuck, boom, chuck. Okay? And then you come in on the listen. Everybody with me? Remember, we're on the first verse, the first time through. Ready? Sounds like this. Now listen well as till I tell. I'm going to stop right there. Just that much. Now look at measure 7. Everybody look at measure 7. Avery, look at measure 7. What do you see at the very, very beginning of measure 7? Yes, ma'am.
An eighth rest.
An eighth rest. Very good. So that eighth rest, oops, no, that's not what I want. I want this. That eighth rest looks like this. It kind of looks a little bit like a 7. Does everybody see that at the beginning of measure 7?
Yes.
That's a really short eighth rest. So I want everybody to circle that rest in your music. Circle it.
I circle.
Okay? Circle that rest, and when we get there, I just want you to tap your thigh on the rest. So you're gonna go, now listen well as till I tell. Okay, so just tap tap on that rest to help you to keep from singing over it. Okay, so let's do that. Ready? 1 and 2 and go. Now listen well as till I tell. That was really good. Do that again. Ready and go. Now listen well as till I tell. Good. Now let's move on. Okay. Remember, what was that called?
Eighth rest.
Eighth rest. I'm going to label it for you so that you will remember. And how many beats do you think an eighth rest gets? It gets half a beat.
Oh.
That's why it goes so fast, right? Just half a beat. All right, so here's the next part. I'm going to start it. Measure 8 on the words of up. Sounds like this. Of a night I shook with fear. Sing that for me. Ready? And go. Of a night I shook with fear. Very good. Now go for the beginning. Now, do you have a question? Okay. Let's go from the beginning that part. Now listen well. Ready? Oh, 1 and 2 and go. Now listen well as till I tell of a night I shook with fear. Now, what do you think I want you to do on the word fear?
Hold it out.
Fear.
Just fear.
So what is that called, Matthew?
It's
So I want you to get louder on fear.
Oh.
Yes. I want you to write this little doodad over the word fear with your pencil. That symbol right there is called a crescendo.
Oh. I've heard that on Little Einstein's.
Do you see how the word crescendo gradually gets bigger? Imagine that it does. I didn't do a very good job. But you know, you get the point, all right? So it starts, a crescendo means you start small and then you gradually get bigger. Now, a crescendo is not this. Of a night I shook with fear.
God.
That's not a crescendo. Are you okay, Amani?
Oh, man, it scared me a little bit.
A crescendo is a gradual getting of the loudness. Like this. Of a night I shook with fear. See how I gradually got loud? Instead of just all of a sudden, boom, I'm loud. That's a totally different thing. Boom, getting loud is different than gradually getting loud, okay? So when we get to fear, I want you to crescendo, and it's written on your music, yes? Everybody wrote that in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Ready? Let's do it again. Now listen well. Ready? And go. Now listen well. Crescendo. Very good. Here's the next part.
I did it.
We were sailing west of an open sea, headed home from a long, long way. Now, I saw someone circle an eighth rest. At least I thought I did. Where is that eighth rest?
Oh, it's on.
Beginning of measure 5.
Right before the
Okay, and she circled it. I watched her circle it, and it made me proud. Everybody circle that right there at measure 15. And we're gonna do a little tappity tap on that one too. We were sailing west on the open sea. Now, I wanna teach you one thing really quick, okay? In choir, when you have the word T-H-E, two things can occur. If the following word starts with a consonant, like ship, I'm going to say the ship. If the following word starts with a vowel, like ocean, I'm going to say the ocean. Does anybody know why I would why would I turn this into the? The next word starts with. It sounds better because you can actually understand the two words, right? Because if I said the right here, it would go the ocean. Okay, and the ocean's not a word, right? But the ocean, it separates those words real cleanly, and you can understand what the words are much, much better. So this is a rule of thumb. Always inquire. If you have this word, the, if it's followed with a consonant, it's the. If it's followed with a vowel, it's the. Everybody got that? So please take your pencils, and on the open in your music right there, okay, on that measure right there, that is measure 14 going into 15, add an E to the word T-H-E. Add an E at the end of measure 14. Add an E at the end of measure 14 to the word the. Going into, it's not ocean on your music, it's open. I just use this as an example, okay? So let's sing that one more time. Let's all stand up. Start it. We were sailing west. Ready? 1 and go.